We're installing Tein coilovers on the Model Y, but before we actually get started on the install and everything, just see what the ride is like right now, factory, before we actually install the kit. So right now we are on stock suspension. What do you feel?
You can feel all the little bumps.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Right, you can feel the little bumps for sure. Very good suspension for what it is at the moment. We're gonna lower the car, but we're also gonna have more rebound, so it should ideally be softer too. So we shouldn't be feeling as many bumps as we feel at the moment.
Okay.
This bump right here, let's see how heavy this bump is. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I mean it's
not bad.
It's not bad, it was pretty soft.
Yeah, I mean, here we go, we got one.
Okay, so it's pretty decently heavy. You can feel all the little bumps in the road. Even with these little roads that have little breaks in each concrete, you can feel the little...
Oh yeah, the brakes, yeah, the brakes, the little lines.
So you can feel them.
Alright, well let's get started then.
Alright, let's get it. And actually, this is going to be a fast one. There's no top hat to remove, nothing. It's just literally straight bolts in.
And we also wrapped this Model Y not too long ago too. I'll post a link to that video in case you want to see that.
Click it.
Click it.
Or get a ticket. I don't know that. They just say that on the...
Right. Alright, so we're done with the coilover installation. We're going for our second test drive. Let's see how this goes. If it's worse, we're going to delete this video.
I'm trying to grasp what I feel. It does feel softer. It does feel like it's floating a little bit more.
I'm not going to say anything yet. I want to hit those bumps.
So right here, we hit this bump right here. Softer to me right there.
Let's hit those lines. You know those horizontal lines?
Yeah.
We don't feel it.
No, we don't feel the lines anymore. We don't feel. So I think we've come to a conclusion.
How much of a difference do you say? 10%? 15?
I'd say it's a 20% increase in comfort.
I can agree with that. 20, 25.
I think it's a 20, 25%. I definitely feel a lot less of the bumps in the roads. That's for sure.
Okay, I can agree with that.
And I do honestly the same thing too. Is you're getting softer suspension, but at the same time when you hit the corners, it's more stable. You know what I mean? So you get stiffer suspension, but at the same time you get softer on bumps. And I think that's what has to do with the rebound. Those clicks.
Oh. Okay.
So you can choose. So if you're someone that wants to be I want it to be sporty, or you can choose the rebound and adjust it and say, oh, I want more rebound for better.
So what setting are we on right now?
We are on the middle, in the very middle setting. So we can go softer or we can go stiffer. I definitely see a difference. I'd say it's a 20-25% increase.
I can agree with that. Now the kit was $1,200. Is it worth $1,200 for this improvement?
For the money on this coilover kit, I'd say it's worth it.
So some quick takeaways. It's definitely more comfortable. Bumps aren't as jarring as before. They feel more rounded out, smoother if you will. From stock to coilovers, I'd say 20-25% is a pretty good estimate as far as improvement goes. The new ride height is a little over 29 inches in the front and the rear in case anyone wants to replicate the same height. Of course, you can go lower than this or even higher if you want to do that. If you're looking for a solid coilover kit for the Model Y, definitely check these out.